In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view coin details from your watch list in TradingView. Let's dive right in and discover how you can tap into all the intricate details of your favorite coins with just a few clicks. First things first, begin by opening your watch list on TradingView. It's your central hub for keeping track of all the coins you're interested in. Once you have that up, you're just a step away from accessing a wealth of detailed information. The ease starts here. Just tap on any coin from your watch list. Whether it's Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any other asset you're tracking, this simple action lays the foundation for everything we'll explore next. With the coin selected, you'll instantly be ushered into a comprehensive view that consolidates news, key stats, profiles, and charts all in one convenient place. This unified look allows you not only to see historical price charts, but also to keep tabs on the latest market news and fundamental stats related to the coin. Next, right within this view, you can click on Financials. This is where you get a deeper understanding of the coin's financial footprint. It's especially useful for those who love delving into the fiscal metrics and health indicators of different digital assets. After that, move on to Technicals. Here, you can analyze various technical indicators, crucial for those who employ technical analysis strategies to inform their trading decisions. Don't forget to check out the Performance section, which provides a snapshot of how the coin has been doing over specific timeframes. This can be incredibly insightful for traders and investors monitoring trends and historical performance patterns. For a balanced view, make sure you also touch on the Risk section. It gives you a perspective on the current risk levels associated with the coin, which is vital for managing and balancing your portfolio risks. Next, if you're interested in historical profitability, explore the Earnings tab. This is especially useful if you're exploring coins with more established histories that might have structured earnings data to reflect upon. Continuing on, if dividends are part of your consideration, select the Dividends option. Although not every coin pays dividends, this section can offer valuable returns data for those that do. Don't miss out on the News tab again for the latest happenings that could impact the coin's market performance. Lastly, if there's any specific news like a significant Bitcoin price surge, click on it to learn about potential market shifts or strategic buy zones, providing context on how major movements could influence your decisions. That wraps up our comprehensive journey through viewing coin details from your watchlist in TradingView. With all these insights at your fingertips, you are better positioned to make well-informed investment decisions. I hope you found this guide clear and helpful. Until next time, happy trading!